how to buy gain token. Now before we start, this is not financial advice. I'm not professional or economic expert, so before investing in any project that you find on my channel, please do your own research. And also there is a referral code down description. You can get for your money, rewards, and crypto with the best referral code. Simply use goes below, fund your account, enjoy the benefits. Check them out in the description. Now before going on buy this token, make sure to check the REFERRAL account and keep following the updates about this token. As you can see, this token is available on the screener. It's created 4 hours ago and increased by 100% in the last 24 hours. The liquidity here unlocked by 100%. That's meaning your investment in the safe places. Token trending number 2 on Solana section. Now to be able to buy this token, it's easy and simple. Just click here to copy the token address from here. As you can see, this token address is under the Solana. You're gonna open your fund to wallet. For that, as you can see, now click on swap here and make sure that you have enough Solana in your wallet. Now click here and paste the token address. So as you can see, this is our token. Click on it and here type how much you want to buy. So here you will be able to see how much you receive. Now after that, select provider, for example Jupiter, and make sure to read all of that information here and click on swap. So after that, you will be able to redirect to the Jupiter provider page to be able to buy this token. So if you face any issue, go back to this page and switch the slip patch from here or custom it, as you can see. So because the most issues came from the zip patch, and after that you can be able to buy this token. So this is how to buy gain token. If you found it very helpful, please like and subscribe. See you next video.